Hey guys, some of you have asked me for a basic juggling tutorial. So if you're new to juggling or you've never even tried it, here's how you can get started and a little progression so you can work up to being a really advanced juggler. But remember, none of this is magic. To become good at juggling takes lots and lots of hours of practice. So start from the beginning and work to improve your technique. So if you're a beginner, I suggest you start with the ball in your hands and just practice good technique, which means you're going to use the laces with the ankle locked and knee bent. So just start within your hands and try to hit it right back up into your hands with the laces. Also make sure you always practice with both feet. Juggling is about balance and being able to use both feet. Once you get comfortable doing that and you can consistently hit the ball back up into your hands, then you can try doing 2 in a row and catching, or even alternating feet. Once that's comfortable, then you can try juggling with 1 bounce. Once you're comfortable doing that, then you can keep the ball up for as long as possible. Again, you should aim to take your touches pretty low at or around waist height. Once you get more advanced, then you can try to take really small touches under knee height and eventually see if you can juggle without putting your foot down on each foot. And then even smaller touches once you have really good control. To juggle on your thighs, you want to start the same way with the ball in your hands and just hit it right back up into your hands, alternating thighs. Once you get comfortable, you can do 1, 2, catch, and then 3, and so on. You want to make sure you bring your thigh up to create a flat surface so the ball comes straight back up. You'll notice if the ball goes out in front of you, it's probably because your thigh is pointing that way, and if the ball is coming back at you, you've probably brought your knee up too high. Once you're comfortable with that, then you can try to just keep the ball up on your thigh. If it drops down, see if you can get it back up with your feet and keep it going. To practice head juggling, you first want to make sure that you're using proper technique to head the ball. You want to connect with the ball on your forehead, keeping your eyes open and looking at the ball, and also making sure that you are hitting the ball and connecting with it as opposed to the ball hitting you. So we're going to again start with the ball in our hands, throw it up, pop it up in the air, and catch it again. You'll notice when you're doing this, you can be a self-coach. If the ball is consistently going in front of you, it's because your head is pointed too far forward, and if it's going back, it's because you're leaning too far back. So you want to keep your forehead straight up so the ball goes straight in the air. Once you're comfortable, you can do 2 in a row, and then 3, and then try to keep it up. Again, remember that learning to juggle takes a lot of time and practice, so be patient with yourself and work through the progression slowly.